Controlling the amount of calories you consume is super important for losing body fat. Now, how do you do this? One way would be to track, something like MyFitnessPal, which I'll talk about in a bit. That's one option. You can log your food in there, you can see how many calories you have, everything like that. But you also have a very, very easy option to kind of guesstimate the calories and the portions, everything you need. Your hand. Your hand. Very simple. Now, what does this mean? How can you use this? The palm of your hand. This is going to be a protein size. It'll be 1 serving of protein. Your fist, this closed fist. This is going to be veggies, so the amount of veggies you can consume. Cupped hand, this cupped hand right here, that's going to be your carb-dense food. So you have your brown rice, you have those types of foods. Also, your thumb, it's going to be your healthy fats. If you're nuts or you're eating nut butters or something like that, that's going to be the amount you should have. Now, guys in general are going to have 2 of each of those at each meal. So like 2 palms, you may have 2 cupped hands, 2 fists of veggies, 2 servings of healthy fats. Women, you'll go 1 of each. That's just a general guideline to give you at least a start into the whole portion control, portion size thing. Again, it's just an estimate, but using your hand, this is a much easier way than trying to predict it some other way. Now you can, like I said, log it, but this is going to be much easier. This is a really basic, easy way to use portion control.